What's up, internet? So this is a couple days after I shot this video, but it was the maiden voyage of the Datsun. Oh, wow! So I have driven it before, but I've never driven it this far, especially after all of the modifications that I've made to it so far with the new wiring, the new carburetor, and the new exhaust manifold. So I drove it downtown for a art show that I was being a part of that revolved around installations that were in, I think, 10 different artists' cars. So you'll be able to see the piece that I created for the show at the end of the video. I'm going to cut to that. Real short video. Just wanted to show that the runs and drives, and now it is currently registered. So just waiting for the plates to come in the mail, and then I'll be able to take it to more car shows from there.
Go right through that windshield.
This cop like came right up next to us, and I was like, oh my god, this is it, but they didn't pull us over. So
6.5 hours later.
I'm gonna see how far I can But yeah, thanks again for watching, and keep it small.